Aside from releasing Android One powered smartphones at MWC, HMD Global's Nokia has also released an entry-level smartphone under Google's Android Go program, the Nokia One. Hi guys, this is Kim of Yugatech, and we're going to take you for a quick tour of the new Nokia One smartphone. As mentioned earlier, the Nokia One is an entry-level device, and it surely looks like one. It has rounded corners and thick top and bottom bezels with a small 4.5-inch IPS screen and FWVGA resolution. Although the design is uninspiring, the Nokia One makes up for it by having a tough but chunky exterior. Nokia's exchangeable polycarbonate express-on covers return here as well. The device may be mostly plastic, but it is fun to hold and look at. As for its other specs, it has a 5-megapixel rear camera with LED flash, 2-megapixel front camera, 8GB of storage which can be expanded up to 128GB using a microSD card, dual SIM support, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2 and GPS. Powering the Nokia One is a MediaTek MT6737M 1.1GHz quad-core processor, 1GB of RAM, and 2150 mAh battery. Software-wise, it runs an Android Go edition which is based on Android's 8.0 Oreo but optimized to run an entry-level hardware, so there's no unnecessary apps or hidden processes eating up your battery life and phone memory. In addition, it is also preloaded with apps that are designed to use less storage space and data, so you'll be able to do more and fit more photos and apps on your phone. The Nokia One comes in warm red and dark blue colors and will be available starting early April for around $85. And that's our initial impressions for the Nokia One Android Go smartphone. Don't forget to hit subscribe and leave us a thumbs up to see more of our videos. Again, this is Kim of Yugatech, and we hope to see you next time.